Mustang Coupe. I'm here with Carl. This is Carl.
Hi, how are you?
He's like really mellow. He drives by in this Ford truck. It's a 94?
1994, yes.
You guys aren't going to believe the condition of this 94 truck. You know Ford trucks get abused. And this might be a video without a Mustang and MustangMedic because it's a Ford truck and it's beautiful. And he drove by and I saw him and then I called him over. Tell him about your truck real quick before we show it on video.
Yeah, I've had it since 96, and I haven't had many problems with it.
Did you buy it like this?
Yeah, it was in pretty good shape when I bought it. It was only a couple years old, but it's the basic truck. I mean, it's 6-cylinder. It has twin tanks.
Is it too personal to ask what you paid for it back then?
Ooh.
If it's too personal, you don't have to answer that.
Lord, I don't remember.
You don't?
I really don't.
Must have been a good
remember.
price.
Yeah, it was a price that I could not get. So
yeah.
I've had nothing but good luck with it since. Like I say, it's a 5-speed, roll-up windows, nothing fancy. So.
Oh, but it's clean, guys. I'm going to do a quick turnaround, go around in this car. Of course, I'm not showing license plates anymore. I've learned my lesson. And let's check out Carl's Ford, 1994 Ford. You won't believe this. Look at this.
25 years old this year.
I know.
Yeah.
Amazing. Half my age. I hate to think of that. How old are you?
You're doing good. I'm 66.
Are you really?
Yeah.
I hope it looks as good as you when I'm 66.
Thank
All right, let's look at the truck.
I have to admit, I do have a Chevy in the garage.
We don't hold that against you.
Okay.
We like Camaros and Corvettes too.
I've got a 56 Chevy pickup in the garage.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
Holy cow. You know I would have stopped you for that too.
All right, I had to do a freeze frame on this because Carl texted me the pictures after I spoke to him. I said, you got to send me these pictures because everybody's going to want to know what your truck looks like. Look at how clean this thing is. Look at the engine compartment. Is that amazing? He's obviously a motorhead, so 2 impressive pickup trucks Carl owns. We appreciate it, Carl, for you sharing both your trucks with MustangMedic. Thanks.
Look at how clean this truck is. I mean, this is a 94, and what grabbed me was the back gate. Because the back gate it's a custom gate, no? I mean,
yeah.
There's no print on it.
Right, yes.
And look
At that gate. Look how clean that gate is. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, it's got aftermarket tail lights on it.
They're subtle. I like them.
Yeah, I put better backup lights on it under the bumpers. You can try to see them.
Actually, I can't go down there because of your license plate.
I got you.
I know. I want to protect everybody when I'm shooting these videos. I've learned my lesson. Let's take a look at the interior real quick. I haven't seen the interior. He's gonna show it to us. But it is a super clean truck.
A little dirty inside.
Well, they're always a little dirty, right? Plus, you're driving this thing around. This is no poser truck.
Right, it's an everyday truck. Yeah.
Look at that, 94. Oh, you're a perfectionist. My father's like you. I only can aspire to this kind of perfection. Look at how clean that interior is. Really nice.
What I've been trying to find, and I'm having a very difficult time of it, I want to find that series between 94 and 96 door panels out of a Bronco, so they could have the pockets down low.
Oh, they fit into there?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, you know what? It's a really good thing you're saying this to me on video because a lot of people watch them.
Yeah.
And I'll give you my, I don't have cards yet, but I'll give you the information.
Okay.
And then you can look at it, and maybe somebody's going to know that. Say again what you want.
I need something between a 94 and a 96 Ford Bronco door panels, preferably in gray or black. I like the ones with the pockets down low and all, so it covers the whole door as opposed to 3/4 of the door like these panels do.
Okay, so there it is, guys. There's a shout out, MustangMedic style for pickup trucks. See, I'll film anything, guys.
Thank you, William. Appreciate you stopping me and complimenting my truck.
When I had my uniform on, I used to wear a uniform with a badge and everything. People would get scared. They thought they were in trouble.
Oh, yeah.
But now I'm mellow. I'm undercover.
Okay, there you go.
All right.
I know my brother and father wore a uniform with a badge for many years. My brother was the chief of police up in Burlington
Was
City.
he? That's cool.
Yeah.
And he's safe and sound?
Oh, yeah, he's good. He took all the money that they gave him to go to school, and he passed Jersey State Bar and Pennsylvania Bar, and now he's a lawyer.
Wow.
Yeah, he retired.
It's kind of like the other side, isn't it? Like you're a
Yeah.
police chief to a lawyer?
I always say that to him. You're playing on the other side of the street.
Well, thank you for, I guess thank you for his service because he's putting his life on the line to protect everybody. So we're grateful.
All right, William.